Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to a Citibank account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to citi.com and make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, of course, you'll need to open an account. As an example, if you still didn't create an account, you'll have to go and open an account. And let's just say I'm just going here, I'm opening an account. Of course, once you open your account, you will have to fill up your personal information, ID verification, employment and income, set up an online access, agreement and disclosure. Basically, here you'll find the option of transferring funds, and they will show you exactly the steps on how to transfer your funds and how to fill up your, as an example, or to transfer money to your Citibank account. They'll show you exactly how to do it. This is if you just create in your account. You already created your account and you're trying to log in. Of course, you'll have to log in. If you're on the phone, you'll have to log in using user ID, Touch ID, or Face ID if you enable those two options, or even register for an account here, of course, if you don't have one. And you'll need to download the app if you don't have it as well. So, how to transfer money, of course, to your Citibank account. There are a lot of ways to do so. Of course, you can do that through a mobile app, through personal check, cashier check, money orders, and a lot of stuff. I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going here to type Citi like demo, and I'm going to show you. Of course, this is just a demo, so it will not be the same interface as you once you logged in. But normally, if you go here to main menu, as you can see, you'll find transfers and payments, and you'll be able to set up some transfers, as example, from an account to an account if you want to. If you want to fund, as example, your account, or if you want to transfer money to your Citibank account. So you can choose the account that you want to send money from to the account that you want to receive. You can click on continue, enter the amount, transaction description, and you should be good to go. This if you want to transfer. If you want to deposit, of course, there are other ways to do so. So yeah, that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.